Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make this beautiful standing card. I will mention all the materials I have used in the description box. So let's get started. First, I am taking a sheet of paper of measurements 26 cm into 12 cm. Next, I am scoring 2.5 cm, 4 cm, 2.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 2.5 centimeters. Now, I'm just taking my embossing needle and going above the lines. If you don't have an embossing tool, it's alright. You can use a pen which has run out of ink, or like an empty refill or something, or anything that is like pointed but not sharp enough to pierce the paper. You can also use something like a toothpick for this. Next, I am making folds along the lines like this, and I am taking the help of my scale to do so. Now I will mark 1.5 centimeters on this middle line from the top as well as the bottom, and make a slit using a paper cutter. And now I'm going to cut another piece of paper of measurement 9 centimeters into 12 centimeters. And next I'm taking a pattern paper and cutting two pieces of measurement 8 centimeters into 11 centimeters respectively. Now I am sticking the pattern papers on both sides of the first paper like this. Next, I am cutting out pattern papers of measurements 11 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters, 11 centimeters into 2 centimeters, and 11 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters. Now I will paste these pattern paper strips onto the paper that I had cut previously. Next, I will pass this piece of paper through the slit and paste it like this. And next, I will paste the other end like this. Now the card is almost done, and let's decorate it. I am using this sentiment here to decorate this card. You can totally write whatever you want here or put up some photographs. And yeah, the card is complete. Let me know down in the comments if you like this video or no, and hit the like button if you liked it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And stay home, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye.